Hey guys, this is BLUETTI Support, a knowledge base to help you have a better experience with BLUETTI. Today I'm going to walk you through AC60, the incredible portable power station. One cigarette lighter port, one USB-C port, two USB-A ports, and two AC outlets cover all your needs. It charges on the side via both AC and DC sources, while the battery expansion ports let you connect extra batteries for more power. Built to be tough, AC60's rugged design and IP65 rated water-resistant materials can handle anything the outdoors throws your way, whether it's a storm of dust or a shower of water. It comes with an AC charging cable, a car charging cable, and a solar charging cable, catering to your diverse charging demands. The B80 battery pack is optional for providing extra power. You can also choose from the cigarette lighter, the clamp cable, lead-acid battery charging cable, USB-C cable, and more to enhance your experience. Press the power button to turn on AC60, and the LCD screen will also light up. Press the button again, the LCD screen will be off. If you want to turn off AC60, press and hold the button for more than 2 seconds. After turning on AC60, press the AC power button and the 600-watt pure sine wave inverter is ready to power your appliances, such as tower fans, projectors, etc. Connect the BLUETTI app to the AC60 that you're using. In the app settings, you can enable the powerlifting feature, which boosts the AC60's output power to 1,200 watts, allowing you to use high-powered appliances such as an electric kettle. With the BMS system, AC60 supports charging and discharging simultaneously. Also, it can be used as a UPS to provide emergency power in 20 milliseconds, keeping your devices running during power outages. Please be careful not to connect high-power equipment to AC60, as this may damage the unit. Press the DC output button and charge more devices via USB ports. When going out or having a blackout, these ports come in handy to charge up your laptops, mobile phones, cameras, drones, etc. Meanwhile, you can plug the car fridge into the cigarette lighter port to enjoy chilled drinks. With the DC output on, you're also able to top up your phone via the wireless charging pad. Don't miss the exact center, or you will charge less efficiently or not at all. When both the AC and DC are off, press and hold AC and DC output buttons simultaneously until the frequency begins to flash. Press the AC button again to switch the AC frequency. Press the DC button instead to set the ECO mode. Don't forget to press and hold AC and DC power buttons again to save your changes and exit the settings. There's a handy LED light on the back, and you can switch between half, full, and SOS lighting modes by pressing the button. Simply plug the AC60 into an AC outlet via the AC charging cable and it starts charging. You can also turn on the turbo charging mode via BLUETTI app to speed up the AC charging. It also supports charging from the generator. Connect the AC60 with your solar panels via the solar charging cable. Please note your panels should have the total open circuit voltage of 12 volts to 28 volts, or this may cause damage to the unit. For lead-acid battery charging, you need to purchase a lead-acid battery charging cable separately. For car charging, you need the car charging cable. The B80 battery pack is a perfect add-on for the AC60. On the front, you can get a DC input, a power button, power indicators, a DC power button, a USB-A port, a USB-C port, and a cigarette lighter port. When you turn the battery pack to the left, you can find a battery expansion port and a snuffle valve. B60 also adapts IP65 material and a fully sealed design. when the temperature of the battery pack rises. Unscrew the bleed valve to balance the pressure inside and outside. Next, we'll show you how to connect B80 to AC60 with the battery expansion cable. The cable is equipped with a safety lock. Before inserting the plug, please release the lock and remove the rubber cap of the expansion port. Plug the cable into the port and tighten the blue nut. The B80 can be directly charged with solar energy via the solar charging cable. It can also charge simultaneously with AC60. Please pay attention not to connect different models of battery packs with AC60. Next, I will show you how to control AC60 with the BLUETTI app. When liquid accidentally enters the AC60, please tell the machine immediately and pour the liquid out from the air outlet on the side. That's all for today. Please follow us for more videos. Let me know if you have any questions or ideas. Thanks for watching and see you next time.